Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video shares my personal experience with the topic at hand. Today, we're exploring TD Bank, specifically their online presence at www.td.com. Navigating their website can feel like a journey through a vast financial landscape. The homepage offers a broad overview of TD's services, ranging from everyday banking needs like checking and savings accounts to more complex financial products such as mortgages, investment options, and even small business solutions. One of the first things you'll notice is the prominent placement of their login portals, catering to both personal and business clients. This prioritization of easy access highlights TD's focus on customer convenience. However, the sheer breadth of information presented can sometimes feel overwhelming. New visitors might initially find themselves wading through a sea of options. While TD strives to present a comprehensive overview of their offerings, streamlining the user experience could enhance navigation and ensure a more intuitive journey for those less familiar with their services. The site's layout is generally clean and organized, employing a classic corporate aesthetic. Information is presented in a structured manner, often using a combination of text, images, and interactive elements. They do a good job of breaking down complex financial concepts into digestible chunks, often accompanied by helpful resources and FAQs. However, some users may find the design somewhat conservative and lacking the modern flair seen in some competitor websites. Despite this, the site functions well and is relatively easy to navigate once you become accustomed to its structure. Deeper exploration reveals dedicated sections for specific financial products and services. These dedicated pages provide more in-depth information, including details on fees, interest rates, and eligibility requirements. The site also features a robust search function, allowing users to quickly locate specific information. Overall, while the website may not win any design awards, its functionality and comprehensive information make it a valuable resource for existing and prospective TD Bank customers. While I personally found navigating the site to be manageable, potential improvements could include more personalized content recommendations and perhaps a more visually engaging design to capture and maintain user attention.